Good afternoon, welcome back to Nick's Community Kitchen with Isla and myself. Okay, so today, short video, fun twist on a flapjack. April Fool's Day, so we couldn't do a normal flapjack. So we're going to do a banana and chocolate flapjack. Luckily today the delivery, Tesco's delivery, good thanks to Tesco's, all the other supermarkets. Today's bananas, the old bananas. So normally making stuff like banana bread, but unknown to me until recently, looking at recipes, really good in a flapjack. So we've got some simple ingredients, store-couple ingredients. Obviously porridge oats, peanut butter, I'm reading it, maple syrup, bananas, some grated apple, butter, but we're going to put some peanut butter, chocolate and some nuts in as well. So Isla's going to do the weighing out and a bit of chopping. This is going to take a few minutes. It will need 45 minutes in a 160-degree oven. So maybe later on when they're all done you can send in your pictures of your finished flapjacks. So Isla, if you want to chop the chocolate into the bowl. So on a gentle heat, we need to melt the butter, golden syrup and the peanut butter. I've already weighed this, so 50 grams of butter into the pot. Keeping it nice and simple again. We've got the scales for the other bits, but tablespoons. So we're going to need 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. Gentle heat. Now we're going to need 2 big tablespoons of peanut butter. Nice big ones. There we go. So that's going to be the base that sticks everything together. Use your claw.
And then it's not cutting.
Not cutting. Shall I do it? Right. Well done, Isla, for saying. So we'll do it quick. Chocolate might have been in the fridge, so it's quite hard. There we go, just chunky.
Too far in.
You pop that in your bowl. So in the pan, you can see that the butter and the syrup starting to melt and just creating this lovely sticky peanut butter toffee sauce almost. Alright Isla, in the bowl, if you put that on the scales, if you can add 150 grams of the nuts and the seeds. That'll do, that's fine, don't worry if it's a bit too much. Now fold it, Isla, peel those into the bowl and smash them up. Good fun for the family, good fun for the children again. So there we go. So we've created...
Into this bowl?
That's it, in there. Both of them, and just smash them up. So we've created a peanut butter toffee sauce.
They're old bananas.
Yeah, exactly, old bananas. So again, we don't want to throw anything away. There you are, straight away. Now, there will be less of a shelf life on this flapjack. You can freeze it to extend it, but because there's fresh produce in there, it won't be like a store bake where you can just put it in the cupboard for, for almost, weeks. This
Have
probably,
to eat it fast.
yeah, 3 or 4 days on this one.
That'll be no trouble, Isla, will it?
I was going to say in our house that won't last that long anyway, but
There you go.
there we go, it's fab. So put that one into your bananas. Yep, straight in. And then back in your weighing scales, we need 250 grams of oats. What's good about this one as well, yeah, they can go in your bowl as well. What's really good about this flapjack recipe, using up your old bananas obviously, but there, you know, there is some goodness in the sweet.
Should I stir it?
Yeah, can give it a stir. So it'll be quite an interesting one to eat because obviously bananas, the chocolate, the peanut butter, some grated apple, give it a bit of a zing. Oh, sorry, Anna. Right, ready? Next bit. Alright, you stand back a bit. Give that a knock. Now you can do the stirring. I'm going to pour this in now. Definitely with this one, keep this one away from the children because boiled sugar is extremely hot.
Yeah.
It boils to a temperature way above water or anything like that. Alright, so we're just going to fold that one in. Look at that. Yeah. I think I know who's going to be licking the bowl today. I think it might be you.
Yeah.
Right, you can see it already in that gooey flapjack texture, exactly. And the bananas and the peanut butter and the chocolate will be absolutely amazing. So really, really simple. There, look. So, two ways you could do this. You could do it in a tray bake. I've got an old loaf tin which I think would be perfect. Alright, do you want to pop it in there?
Yeah.
I'm going to switch the oven on.
Can I have a spoon? Should I pick it off?
Yeah. There you go. Oven on 160. And like I said, you want to bake that for about 40 minutes. A modern fan oven, maybe not as much. If you do a tray bake and it's thinner, it'll take less time. But you want to bake it until the oats and the sugar is golden brown. We'll get another one. There you go. So press that one down there.
Do you want a bit more?
We'll do that one as well. You fill that one and I'll press that one. You keep going on that one. We don't want it too deep, or else it will take too long to bake and the oats might singe a bit. So probably, you know, an inch thick is ideal. Because ultimately we want to cut this into squares or bars that we can eat when it's cooked and set. If you wanted to top this with chocolate, that would be great. There we go. That's our tray bake.
Can we top on the chocolate?
Well, we'll top it with chocolate after it's cooled. Alright, but there we are, look. We've got enough sweet flapjack there to have as a treat. Even a nice sort of mid-morning breakfast snack with the bananas and the apples. Okay, pop these in the oven. Bit messy, bit of fun. Myself and Isla love our cooking. Okay, looking forward to 45 minutes. Can't wait to try them. Give us some feedback on your flapjacks and I'll see you soon. I think we're going to do something with chicken on Friday. So we're going to do a whole chicken, something we do every week in our house. Cut the chicken down, we'll probably marinate the legs and the thighs for tandoori. So a nice curry spice but without the heat. And then we'll get the crown of the chicken ready for roast on Sunday. Okay, so stay safe and see you soon.